Now here see, choose the correct equivalent fraction in each problem. So we have to select which one is the correct answer. So here 5 fractions are given, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this 5 fraction, 4 multiple choice were given. So in these 4 fractions, which one is an equivalent fraction? So we have to check and we have to choose the correct one. Here first one is 2 by 16. So which one is correct? So 1 by 4 is the right answer, or 1 by 8 is the right answer, 4 by 20 or 3 by 18. Which one is the right answer? See here, 2 and 16. So these two have a common factor. So which number they have the common factor? So 2 is a common factor. So why they have common factor? See here, 2 factors are 2 and 1. If you write 2 factors, see here, 2 factors are 1 and 2. 2 is divided by 1 as well as 2. Why? 2 is a prime number, 2 is having 2 factors, 1 is 1 and the other one is itself. 1 and 2 both are having common factors of 2. Then 16 common factor. So 16 is divisible by 1 and 16 is divisible by 2 and 16 is divisible by 4 for the 16 and 16 is divisible by 8. So and 16 is divisible by 16. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. 16 is having 6 factors, 6 common factors. Okay. Now, so what are the common factor in between this 1 and 2? So these two numbers having 1 and 2 as a common factor. So here if numerator and denominator so having common factor other than 1, so then how to simplify? How to simplify? Just before we discuss how to simplify. See here, 2 we have 2 by 6 we have to take, 2 we have to divide with 2 by 16 here, 2 by 16. So this numerator we have to divide with the common factor 2 and also with denominator also we have to divide with the common factor 2. Then what is your answer? If 2 is divided by 2, then what is your answer? 1. 2 ones are 2. Then if 16 is divided by 2, then what is your answer? In 2 table when you will get 16, 2 8s are 2 8s are 16. In 2 table when you will get 2 1s are, that answer is 2. In 2 table when you will get 16, 2 8s are 1 by 8. This is a simplified form. This is a simplified form. So this 1 by 8 is the equivalent fraction of this 2 by 16. See where is your 1 by 8 answer? Here you have 1 by 8. This is your right answer. 1 by 8 is the right answer. First we have to see here 2 by 16. In this 2 by 16, so any common factor is there other than 1, just you have to find first. So with that common factor you have to divide numerator as well as the denominator. Then after that check in simplified form. If answers are in simplified form, then you go through this method. Okay. So then after simplification, then what is your final answer? 1 by 8 is your fraction. So where is your 1 by 8 answer here? Here we have 1 by 8. That is your right answer. Next, the second fraction. Here 1 by 5. 1 by 5 already it is in simplified form. So again no need to simplify. Why? Because so these two are having only 1 as a common factor. 1 as a common factor. So it is a simplified form. Now if it is a simplified form, then how to find which one is an equivalent fraction? See, first observe what are the fractions given here. This and this. 3 is given. First in the numerator 3 is given. So it means if you multiply this 1 with 3 and 5 with 3, then what happened? Once you check, 1 3 is a 3 divided by 5 3 is a 15. 3 by 15, the same number. It means if the numerator and denominator, multiply by with the same number, then whatever fraction you are getting, that is the equivalent fraction of that fraction. Okay. Here numerator and denominator is multiplied by 3 and 3. So then 1 3 is a 3, 5 3 is a 15, 3 by 15. You are getting 3 by 15. 3 by 15 as equivalent fraction of this 1 by 5. So 3 by 15 is an equivalent fraction. So, why this is not equivalent fraction? Here 2 is there. If you multiply this 2 and this is with 2, 1 2s are 2, 5 2s are 10. 2 by 10 is the right answer. If he give here 2 by 10, then it's correct, but 11 is given. So, that is why it is not correct. Here 8 by 24 is given. 8 means if you multiply this 1 with 8, 1 8 is 8, 5 8 is 40. If 8 by 40 is given, then only that is correct. There 8 by 24 is given, that is wrong. 5 by 10 is given. 5 means if you multiply this 1 with 5, 1 5 is 5. Then again 5 with 5, 5 5 is 25. 5 by 25. If 5 by 25 is there, then that is right answer. 5 by 10 is given. So, that is why that is wrong answer. Only this one is the correct answer. When we multiply numerator and denominator with the same number, that is 3, then the fraction is 3 by 15. This is the equivalent fraction of this 1 by 5. 1 by 5. Next fraction here. We have to see here 25 and 10. 25 and 10, first what are the common factors? This 25 and 10. These two are having common factor 5. So, why they have common factor 5? Here last digit is 5, here last digit is 0. If the last digit is 0 or 5, that number is divided by 5. So, that is why they have common factor 5. So, 25 is divided by 5 and 10 is divided by 5. If 25 divided by 5, then what is the answer? In 5 table, when you will get 25? 5 5s are. In 5 table, when you will get 10? 5 2s are. 5 by 2. So, where is 5 by 2? Once you check, here you have 5 by 2. This is your right answer. This is your right answer. Okay. First you check if any, this is not in a simplified form. So, just you first convert into simplified form. First you find what is the common factor. Common factor. So, here 5 is there, here 0 is there. If 5 and 0 is there, then they are divisible by 5. Then divide this 25. Once you divide this 25 with 5 and 10 divided by 5. Then check what is your answer, 5 by 2. Then 5 by 2 is the right answer. Now here 4 by 12. So, this 4 and this 12 they divided, they have the common factor 4. This 4 is divided by 4 and this 12 is also divided by 4. Then 4 is divided by 4 and 12 is divided by 4. If 4 is divided by 4 and 12 is divided by 4, then what happened? In 4 table, when you will get 4, 4 1s are. In 4 table, when you will get 12, 4 3s are. 1 by 3 is the right answer. Here 1 by 3 is the right answer. Next 36 by 45. This 36 and 45. In which common table they divide? In which common table they divide? They divide in 3 table. In 3 table. How you know these two are divisible by 3? So, because if sum of the digits 9, sum of the digits 9. 3 plus 6 plus 3 is 9 and 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 9. The both sum is 9. 9 means they are divisible by 9. So, 3 as well as 9. You have to take a bigger number. So, these two are divisible by 9. 36 divided by 9, 45 divided by 9. Then in 9 table, when you will get 36, 9 4s are. So, in 9 table, when you will get 45, 9 5s are. 4 by 5. Where is your answer? 4 by 5. Here you have 4 by 5. This is your right answer. This is your right answer. Okay. In which common table they divide? So, first you simplified in that. So, then that fraction is there once you check in that given fraction. If there, that is the right answer. If it is not in simplified form is given, in not simplified form. So, this is not in, this is already in simplified form. This is already in simplified form. If already simplified form is given, so then we have to check in which, means in what number we have to multiply to numerator and denominator, then you will get the fractions given in the answers once you check. Here 3 by 15 is there. 3 means first you check either if we multiply this with 3 to numerator and denominator, so you are getting the 3 by 15 or not. If you are getting 3 by 15, then your answer is correct. If you are not getting 3 by 15, you go for the next one. If it is not, then you go for the next. If you not, go for the next. Like this you have to check and you have to find which one is your right answer. Okay. This is the method to find equivalent fraction. So, when four answers were given, so how to choose the correct equivalent fraction, so given to given fraction. Okay student. Now, next here see, so write the equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction already we did. So, how to write equivalent fraction? So, here only one equivalent fraction we have to write. First you have to multiply any number with a numerator and denominator. See, here I want to multiply numerator with 2 and denominator with 2. So, take simple numbers, do not take a big number, large number, complicated numbers. So, multiply with 2, numerator and denominator. 7 2s are 14, 4 2s are 8. 14 by 8 is an equivalent fraction of this 7 by 4. Here also take equivalent fraction, take 3 small numbers, multiply with 3 to numerator and denominator. 1 3s are 3 by 6 3s are 18. 3 by 18 is an equivalent fraction of this 1 by 6. Here also take 4, multiply with 4, that is your wish. So multiply by 2 is also correct, and 3, 4, 5, that is your wish. So, but take smaller numbers, 2 4s are 8, 5 4s are 20. 8 by 20 is an equivalent fraction. So, whenever equivalent fraction is asking, just we have to multiply numerator and denominator, so with the same number, and after that whatever fraction after multiplication, that is the equivalent fraction of the given fraction. Okay. In activity second, fourth bit, so we have to keep greater or less in the boxes. First we have to decide which one is a smaller and which one is a larger. If two fractions are given, then how to say that which one is a larger and which one is a smaller? See here, first what is the first fraction? 1 by 3, and what is the second fraction? 7 by 8. First, what is the denominator in first fraction? 3. With these 3 we have to multiply the second fraction, numerator and denominator. And what is the denominator here? 8 in the second fraction. With that 8 we have to multiply the first fraction, numerator and denominator. Then 1 8s are 8, 3 8s are 24, 7 3s are 21, 8 3s are 24. Now the denominators are same. So, see what is the numerator. Here 8 is the numerator and 21 is the numerator here. In these two, 8 and 21, so which one is greater? This one is greater. This one is greater and this one is smaller. Means 8 by 24, this 1 by 3 is less than this 7 by 8. 7 by 8. In this way, we have to decide which one is smaller and which one is bigger. Here, so in the second question, 1 by 6 is a first fraction, 3 by 4 is a second fraction. Second fraction denominator, what is the denominator? 4 here. So we have to multiply numerator and denominator with 4. First fraction, numerator and denominator, we have to multiply with 4. Next, second fraction. For second fraction, so we have to check what is the denominator of this first fraction, 6. With that you have to multiply numerator and denominator. Now 1 4s are 4, 6 4s are 24, 3 6s are 18, 4 6s are 24. Here the denominators are same, 24 and 24. Check numerator. So 4 is a numerator and 18 is a numerator. So 18 is bigger and this is smaller. Means the first fraction is smaller than, means less than the second fraction. Now here the denominator is 4 in the second fraction, so we have to multiply with 4 these two fractions, these two, numerator and denominator. Here denominator is 8, we have to multiply with 8. Okay, 4 we have to multiply with 4, here 8 is there, we have to multiply the second fraction with 8. Then 3 4s are 12, 8 4s are 32, 2 8s are 16, 4 8s are 32. Now the denominators are same. Then what is the numerator? 12 here and 16 here. 12 is less, means first fraction is less. 3 by 8 is less than 2 by 4. 2 by 4. Now in the fourth, what is the denominator here? 8. Multiply with 8. What is the denominator here? 5. multiply with 5, this second fraction. Now 8 4s are 32, 5 8s are 40, 4 5s are 20, 8 5s are 40, and 40 denominator same. So then what is the numerator here? 32 and 20. 32 is greater, means first fraction is greater than 4 by 5 is greater than 4 by 8. 4 by 5 is greater than 5 by 8. Now here 2 4, here 2 is there, so we have to multiply with 2. Here 4 is there in the denominator, we have to multiply with 4, this second fraction. 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8, 1 4s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. By 8 is there, denominator same, then 2 and 4. In this 2 and 4, 2 is less, means first fraction is less. 1 by 4 is less than 1 by 2. 1 by 4 is less than 1 by 2. Now here, what is the denominator here? 6. Multiply with 6 this fraction. Here what is the denominator? 5. You have to multiply with 5. 1 5s are 5, 6 5s are 30, 4 6s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 5 6s are 30. So denominators are same. So what is the numerator? 5 and 24. 24 is bigger, this is smaller. First one is smaller, less than the second one. Here the denominator is 6, multiply with 6, numerator and denominator, first fraction. Second fraction denominator 2. So with the denominator you have to multiply the second fraction. 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12. By 12, denominator same, see numerators 6 and 4. 6 is a bigger, means first fraction is a bigger. 1 by 2 is greater than 2 by 6. Now here, so what is the denominator, second fraction denominator? 6. Multiply, so multiply second fraction denominator, multiply with the first fraction. Then first fraction denominator with second fraction, into 4 into 4. 3 6 are 18, 4 6 are 24, 2 4s are 8, 6 4s are 24. Here by 24 same, 18 and 8, 18 is bigger, it means first fraction is bigger. 3 by 8 is greater than 2 by 6, 2 by 6. Now here 4, first fraction, second fraction denominator 4, multiply with 4. Second fraction denominator 3, multiply with 3. 1 4s are 4, 3 4s are 12. 1 3s are 3, 4 3s are 12. By 12 is there, this is 4 and this is 3. 4 means the numerator 4 is bigger. The first one is bigger. Okay, 1 by 3 is greater than 1 by 4. In this fraction, again, so this is the first and this is the second. How to compare? So with the denominator, with the second fraction denominator, so we have to multiply first fraction complete into 4 into 4. And with the second, with the first fraction denominator, so we have to multiply the second fraction into 3 into 3. Now 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 4 3s are 12. By 12 is there. Here the numerator 8 and 6. 8 and 6 means 8 is greater. The first one is greater, means first fraction. 2 by 3 is greater than 2 by 4. 2 by 4. Now here 8 and 4. So then second fraction denominator 4. So with the second fraction denominator you have to multiply complete first fraction into 4 into 4. Then first fraction denominator is 8, multiply with second fraction. Now 1 4s are 4, 4 8s are 32, 3 8s are 24, 4 8 4s are 32. Denominators are same, 4 and 24, 24 is greater, this one is smaller. It means first fraction is less. 1 by 8 is less than 3 by 4, 3 by 4. In the same way, what is the first fraction denominator? 3. Multiply the first fraction with 3. And what is the second fraction denominator? 4. So, with that you multiply second fraction. 2 3s are 6, 4 3s are 12. 1 4s are 4, 3 4s are 12. By 12 same, then numerator 6 and 4. 6 is bigger, means first fraction is greater. 2 by 4 is greater than 1 by 3. So, this is the method to compare which one is bigger and which one is smaller. First we have to multiply. So, first fraction with the second fraction denominator and second fraction with first fraction denominator. Okay. So, we have to multiply complete fraction, numerator and denominator, Second, with the second fraction denominator, you have to multiply first fraction numerator and denominator. First fraction denominator, you have to multiply second fraction numerator and denominator. Then after that, you have to check the numerators. So, which one is a greater? That one is greater. So, after that you keep greater than, less than according to that. Okay. So, this is the method to decide which one is a greater and which one is a smaller. Okay, students. Now, see here. So, write the equivalent fractions by filling in the space. Here 12 by 45 is equal to dash by 15. So, what should come? So, what should come to in the numerator, so that there should equal fraction. There should be equal fraction. Then how to decide? So, what should come here in the box in the numerator? So, here first we have to check these two denominators. Both denominators are given. So, in 15 table, when you will get 45 once you check. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 threes are 45. If you multiply 15 with 3, then you will get 45. Okay. Then, so now in 3 table, when you will get 12, you have to check. In 3 table, when you will get 12, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fours are, that 4 you have to write here. 3 fours are 12. So, in this way we have to find the equivalent fractions once again. So, first numerator we have to find. So, what numerator will come here? See, for that 2 denominators are given. So, these 2 denominators are given. So, in the denominator smaller one, this is a smaller one. So, in 15 table, when you will get 45, 15 3s are 45, 15 3s are 45. So, in 3 table, when you will get this 12, you have to check. 3 4s are, that 4 you have to keep here. In the same way, here numerator we have to find. So, 28 and 56, these 2 are the denominators. In 28 table, when you will get 56, 2s are, 28 2s are 56. In 2 table, when you will get 14, 2 7s are 14, that 7 we have to write. 2 7s are 14, that 7 we have to keep here. In the same way, here in 10 table, when you will get this 10, 10 7s are 70, 10 7s are 70. In 7 table, when you will get this 63, 7 9s are, that 9 we have to write here. Okay. Here numerators are given. So, here numerator is given. So, in 7 table, when you will get 58, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 8s are 56, 7 8s are, this is not 58, this is 56, this is 56, here it is 56. In 7 table, when you will get 56, 7 8s are 56, 7 8s are 56. Again, in 8 table, when you will get 80, 8 10s are, that 10 we have to write here. That 10 we have to write here. Here also numerators given, 2 numerators are given. So, in 7 table, we have to check when we will get 49. 7 7s are 49, 7 7s are 49. In this 7, when you will get 56, once you check, 7 8s are, that we have to write here, 7 8s are. In this way, we have to find the equivalent fractions. Okay.